Today's question comes from Angela. She says, I got your Learn Spanish at Your Own Pace course a few weeks ago. I've been going through the lessons in your course, and I'd like to practice some numbers with you. Could you do a podcast episode with numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on? I feel if I knew those numbers well, others would be easier. Angela's right. Knowing those numbers will help you understand all other numbers more easily. So in today's lesson, we're going to go through 10 crucial Spanish numbers. These are the 10 numbers. Repeat after me. 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90, 100, 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 1000. Before I continue with this lesson, let me remind you that on YouTube you can listen to every episode of this podcast 48 hours before anywhere else. My YouTube channel is Speak Spanish with Maria. You can see the link in the episode description on your mobile device. Let's say them once more. 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90, 100, 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 1000. Now we are going to do a listening drill. Can you tell me which number I'm saying? 80, 80, 80, 60, 60, 60, 90, 90, 90, 30, 30, 30, 70, 70, 70, 40, 40, 40, 1000, 1000, 1000, 100, 100, 100, 50, 50, 50, 20, 20, 20. Now we are going to do speaking drill. Can you tell me these numbers in Spanish? 70, 70, 70, 100, 100, 100, 90, 90, 90, 20, 20, 20, 1,000, 1000, 1000, 60, 60, 60, 30, 30, 30, 50, 50, 50, 80, 80, 80, 40, 40, 40. To recap, let's go through those 10 numbers once again. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100, 1000, 1000. Remember that you need to pronounce all numbers really well, so people can understand them without problem. Go through the pronunciation lessons on this podcast to make sure you're saying the numbers correctly. Before I go, let me remind you that on YouTube you can listen to every episode of this podcast 48 hours before anywhere else. My YouTube channel is Speak Spanish with Maria. You can find the link in the episode description, together with all the other links I've mentioned in this episode.